Out here hunting in one of my favorite creeks, and past few days I kept thinking about drills. I even told somebody the other day that I was hunting with that I haven't found any drills in a while, and I think I got one right here. Hopefully is, but it's sitting down right here. We just had like a 6-inch rain. It really blasted everything out. I think we got a drill going on here, and hopefully he's all there. Right there, of course. Pretty good. A little nick out of that side. Wow. That's a keeper though. Looks like that nick's been out of there a long time though. Same patina. Doesn't look like any different patina. Might have been a trademark from the Indian, but yeah, got myself a drill. Awesome. Gonna keep looking.